Hi guys! Today I'm going to create a voluminous hairstyle using flat iron from the brand BeKind. This flat iron called Flex. So I just wanted to show you guys how unique this is. So it has a clip and it has little holes in here, and the cool air is coming out of those holes, which actually cools down your curl when you're curling, which locks the curls in, and it actually helps with elongating the style. So I'm super excited to try it. Let's see. I'm going to show you step by step how to do a beautiful hairstyle using this flat iron. First, I'm going to separate the bottom section from the top hair so I can easily get access to the bottom hair and curl them properly. I will start curling section by section, softly sliding the curling iron down. I will try to alternate the direction of my curling to create more volume. Make sure you start curling with the very beginning of the hairpiece. As you can see, my hair is pretty frizzy and the flat iron is doing a really great job by smoothing it out. When I curl, first piece to use the direction that is away from my face. I repeat the same steps with the section by section. I curl all the way to the bottom, but you can also leave the ends straight if you want to. Now I section out another layer of hair, taking the piece, and the first one is again away from my face. Pay attention to the amount of hair I'm taking. I do not recommend taking a really large pieces. Make sure you get a comfortable amount that fits into the flat iron easily. Make sure you're not sliding flat iron too fast because it won't be enough to curl your hairpiece. But also don't move it too slow because you can burn your hair. I gently help a curl with my hand just to help to shape it in the right direction. Don't miss the spots in the back. I recurl one of the pieces that I started curling in the beginning because iron wasn't hot enough. Same steps on an opposite side. As you can see, it's very easy and effortless to create those really nice curls. Easy for everyone. Now I'm taking the back top section and started curling it. It's very easy to pull it up so I can see how I curl it. Beautiful curls are coming out.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Now taking a second section from the back, hiding the rest of the hair behind my ear.
Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.
Also trying to curl backwards.
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number
actually nice to curl without having a part, so when you part your hair, you will still have a volume.
I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live.
I'm separating my bangs and start curling the last long hair section. If you don't have bangs, you just keep curling the same way as before. Trying to curl those sections away from my face because I know they're going to be framing my face.
We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chase and
now I'm brushing my bangs.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning,
and give them a direction, straightening them.
Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the
So I'm doing it piece by piece.
If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm a hiatus.
Now I'm gonna taking a big comb and brushing it all through.
I'm a hiatus.
Putting some hairspray or texture spray. And now I'm putting it all in.
Taking time out to be and live my
Curling the bangs again, just giving them a little bit of direction. Fluff your hair. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this class, and we can't wait to see you recreate this look.